We're looking at number 15 on page 141 in section 2.7. The problem reads, according to a study conducted in 2003, the total number of U.S. jobs in millions that are projected to leave the country by year T, where T equals 0 corresponds to the beginning of 2000, is N of T equals 0.0018425 times T plus 5 to the 2.5 power. And the question is, what was the projected number of outsourced jobs for 2005 and also for 2010? Now in this problem, they already give you the equation. Okay, so that's a good thing. So this makes our work a lot easier. We've got the equation, and also want to point out that they tell us that T equals 0 corresponds to the year 2000. And then also beside that equation, you see 0 less than or equal to T less than or equal to 15. That's just our restriction of the function. That's all the possible values of T. And we're looking for the projected number of outsourced jobs for 2005 and 2010. The projected number of outsourced jobs is represented by N of T, and the year is represented by T. And they tell us that 2005 corresponds to T equal 5. So in this problem, we're just reducing our work down to substituting 5 into T and solving for N of 5. And you will need your calculator for this, and you will need to know how to enter in 2.5 as an exponent. And you should be able to do that using a caret key. You will either see this button, or you may see X to the Y, or you may even see Y to the X, depending on what kind of calculator you have. Each of those three buttons are the same. You'll only see one of those on your calculator. So you would hit that button and then type in your 2.5 as your exponent. And you can always refer to your instructions manual if you need help on that. But 10 to the 2.5 should give us 316.227766. And then after we multiply that by 0.0018425, we will get 0.58264966. Now remember that the total number of jobs is in millions. Okay, so 0.58264966 is not our final answer. Since it's in millions of jobs, we would need to multiply this number by 1 million. Okay, we can reduce this down just by moving the decimal place over 6 times. That's the same thing as multiplying by 1 million. So our answer in terms of the problem is 582,649.66. And since we're talking in terms of jobs, you can't have 0.66 jobs. So just go ahead and round that up to the nearest whole number. So this would tell us that the projected number of jobs, of outsourced jobs, in the year 2005 is 582,650. And so we would do the same thing for 2010. We would substitute 10 into our formula. And it's the same calculations. So for the sake of time, let me go ahead and tell you that you should get 1.605593366. And after we multiply this by 1 million, we'll get 1,605,594. That's how many